Good morning, students. So, 8th C students, we have completed up to chapter 3, and you have to write down the question answer on your own for chapter 3. For this, you may refer any other books or guides, and you have to make the answer of your own and submit it in WhatsApp group, because I want to check all the question and answer of your what you have written. So students, in today's class we are going to discuss the 4th chapter in 8th class, that is metals and non-metals. Okay, so far in last session we have learnt about the synthetic fiber and natural fiber. Now we are going to learn about the 4th chapter, that is metals and non-metal. Students, it is a common topic, that is everyone can know the basic of this topic, metals and non-metals. You know everyone what is metals, but how we define metal and non-metal? If we take any substance, how we define it? Is one is metal and another one is a non-metal. That is very, very important. So see students, there are few characteristics are there. If we take any substance and if that substance possesses those characteristics, we can call it as metals. For example, you see, first let me see, I am one by one I am explaining. First one is lustrous. What is mean by lustrous? It is a characteristics of metals, not non-metals. First you know that what are the examples of metals and what are the example of non-metal. Metals examples are iron, aluminium, okay, and gold, okay, and silver, okay, copper, zinc, magnesium, aluminium. These all are the examples of metals. All the metals has lustrous properties. Non-metals means what? Non-metals, we can take any example. This pen is a non-metal. Our body is a non-metal. This board is a non-metal. Wood is a non-metal. Paper is a non-metal, students. Now, a metal has particular properties such like the first one is lustrous. What is mean by lustrous? It is very, very important. Table 4.1 is given you complete that table 4.1 and submit after completion of this class. So first you have to watch this video, then after you have to complete the table 4.1. so here, see here, we are going to discuss the characteristics of metals. In those characteristics of metal, this is the first character, that is lustrous. What is mean by lustrous? Okay students, if you take example of gold, silver, okay, everyone I think everyone saw this gold and silver. So they shines, okay, when the sunlight falls on metals, even new iron also, silver also, aluminium also, they shines, okay, they shines very beautifully. That in when sunshine fall on the metal surface, it reflects the sunlight. Understand? Mean the shining property of the metal is called as lustrous, because if you take any metal, all metals they shine. Okay, so the shining property of the metal is called as lustrous. So what is the definition of lustrous? Shining property. Okay, means the shining properties of metal is called as lustrous. So what is this? Is a word, scientific word which we use for shining property of metal, because all metal they get shine. So the shining property is called as lustrous. Example, gold and silver. And the second property of the metals are, I am going to explain you here. First property is lustrous. What is mean by lustrous? Means shining property is called as lustrous. Second property is that sonority. Sonority. What is mean by sonority? You have learnt in class 6 and 7 sonometer. Sonometer. What is mean by sonometer, students? The sonometer used to detect sound property, okay, to measure sound property. Now sonority means if you take a wood, okay, this is a board, if you take a wood and beat it, understand how the sounds comes produces. And if you take a metal, that is in our school for each and every period the clerk will ring a bell, understand. So the bell is made up of metal, so when he beat the bell the sound comes very clear, not like that. Now when I am beating this bell, this sound is not so clear, okay, but if I beat any metal the sound will be very clear. That means all the metal produce a clear sound, okay, but not the non-metal such like wood, paper. If you beat paper, which sound comes? No sound produce, but the metal produce perfect sound. The metal producing perfect sound, this property is called as sonority, means producing sound. Sonority means producing sounds. Lustrous means shining property of metals is called as lustrous. Producing sounds is called as sonority. Now third property, that is malleability. Malleability. What is mean by malleability? Suppose there is an experiment